bisa to punya pengaruh yang jemput penting kita ya babaklah di sosial media kata bagi WhatsApp tunjuk kata Telegram nomor kita sosial media kita jadi kita देखो login register your number habo ka SCP trong ki priu la ni ki kudu ki ba aju man ki sa kudu ba ki kita te barhake show pini ka script lema naga-naga taktim te ngin saya ni yo ru ni silakan semua kita adalah dukan kita berlekai guran sekemat kita tiap no silakan wala ada pemla berjumpa lele inai ki price fee ki dodok ki change but pencil mah pencil te wan mo kamera ko mangi idan hande nabata ki jompi ki wan hande bata ki jinga ki jompi bilawan trust ya kane proses kuma bi trust ki bank ki jompi te takane ki dia nan sa nan khanda ya ki street play batinai ya kitchen ki laka ki ya kitchen laka ki mata la da ki ki bapa kana
beli laka Dong sát tengah sát đi.
Silakan tengah.
Lek kayu ba.
Hindi kang rolling guys. Jadi sesemi kita ki slip untai. Jadi kung nagba mo may na. Do a story to life. Those who believe in themselves, believe in
But is this really enough?
Nina, why are you saving so much? What will happen if your pocket change?
What if we never every single month? Only 500? Yes. And it's not about the amount, it's about the habit. Today 500, tomorrow 1,000, and slowly it grows. Maybe 5 grows. What? Yes. Then I will start too. It might be small, but I'll do it on my own.
This is the first step to become Atmanirbhar. Nina, I have told you times and times, please stop your investments. Nothing will change.
This money isn't just for today, it's for tomorrow. I will not stop. Patience, persistence, dedication. Those small steps became my strength today. I am not dependent on anyone. I am Atmanirbhar.
I was so wrong, Nina. You really proved that even a small start can bring a massive change.
Friends, becoming self-reliant isn't hard.
You just have to start.
Don't wait for a fortune. Start small. Be regular and have patience.
Small steps, big dreams. Self-belief is the supreme. Financial freedom is not given by anyone else. It is your own right that you create for yourself. Become an Atmanirbhar investor. Thank you. One is up.